So Salesforce has developed a very special community. I think they go above and beyond, and the one thing that we all have in common is that we all use Salesforce.com. It's been really interesting. Being involved for 7 years, I've seen the community really grow up and found that I have so many friends there. So I wanted to get involved and start giving back. There's so many different channels to give back, Twitter, LinkedIn, success.salesforce.com, local user groups at Dreamforce. There's so many areas. Being an MVP just recognizes that you go kind of above and beyond for the community, whether it's presenting or answering people's questions or just anything. And really there's so many people who just get just a nice joy out of it. I think innovating, I think that's a great word for it. People just saw Salesforce years ago as, hey, here's a sales platform we have. Hey, maybe here's a way we can help customer support. But now people are really innovative on Salesforce.com. They're actually putting their whole company's platform on Salesforce. So you're seeing HR, you're seeing contracting, you're seeing all kinds of internal communication, especially with Chatter. Now companies are more social and can collaborate more than they ever had before. And I think you're really seeing people really make strategic decisions around their use of Salesforce.
Our company primarily uses Salesforce for our sales team. We manage our leads, our contacts, and our opportunities from Salesforce. We're hoping to implement our operations team as well coming this year.
We actually are a startup company and we use Salesforce for pretty much everything. Our main application of Salesforce is to use it to drive the efficiency of our process.
So at Nexidio, we're using Salesforce to run our entire business on the Salesforce platform. We have Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Automation, Project Management, IT support. I have about 12 applications that we're running with partners from the App Exchange.
HG Parts International, the way we use it is we bring all of our data from our different ERPs, whether it be it's account data, it's financial data, all that rolls up into Salesforce from different ERPs, and they're all different. So Salesforce is one way to kind of hold all of the data together and get a 360-degree view of all of our customers.
At HP, we use Salesforce pretty much for everything in our sales process. We start with leads, go through the Sales Cloud and Service Cloud for internal customers, as well as we've used different partners to help with analytics and our quote process.
The number one thing that Salesforce has done for us is improve our efficiencies. We could not operate without having it on a day-to-day basis.
One of the first things we did was roll out Chatter. It had not been previously implemented, and of course, we use that simple adage, if it's not in Salesforce, it didn't happen. And having the Chatter platform allowed us to really increase the communication in an organization that was somewhat siloed previously. We've actually gotten to the point now where our CEO says, if you haven't mentioned me, it didn't happen.
Well, I'm sure you know that HP is throughout the entire world, so the collaboration effect of Salesforce has greatly helped us. We also are able to communicate with inside sales and outside sales together using Salesforce Chatter.
Take it slowly. User adoption is critical, and I find that having buy-in at the top really makes a difference. Know your processes, hammer them out. Leverage the platform, leverage the App Exchange, and the community is so critically important. There's so much resources out there for admins and new users alike. So get involved in the community. That really helps.
It's got to be top-down management. It's got to be from the top. Leadership needs to drive managers, and managers need to drive the sales reps. If that's not happening, there's no incentive, there's no accountability for anybody to adopt Salesforce.
I am a very big advocate of the user group here in Atlanta. I've networked with many people and learned lots of new tricks and trades of Salesforce, as well as learned about Salesforce community.
We did look for outside help to optimize the use of Salesforce. So I think that is the best advice I could give someone. Salesforce, my knowledge of it was right out of the package. We knew what we needed to have to make us operate more efficiently, and now we know what we need to help us close that sales gap, and we can't do that by ourselves. We all have full-time busy jobs every day, so using that outside resource, a configuro as yourself, is great.
get help. You know, get an expert, get help. You can do a lot of it on your own, but get it set up correctly so that it continues to perform well for you.
I think using the partners are very helpful because of the experience we bring to the table, of the knowledge of our platform. Again, this is something I'm in the platform every day. I love learning about the platform, bringing interesting ideas, innovative ideas, and using them at companies that have the need.